Hey everybody, JD here, back at it. Another What Did You Buy Wednesday. Got a few things. Got a set of IndyCal decals for my Williams F1 car that I ordered right after I bought the kit. I think like the same day, because I saw I was worried that the decals in it would suck. And right after I ordered them, my buddy Tim over at Box Stock Garage sent me a set that he had. So thank you much, I appreciate it. Don't know which I'm going to use. I'm going to probably do both cars since I have enough decals now. I'll probably do both drivers' cars here in the future. The other thing I got is Paul was talking about that Hobby Lobby was having a sale. So I got my income tax return last week, and I went and I bought the 37 Ford pickup truck kit by Revell. I've never owned this kit before. I really look forward to building it. There's been a lot of people out there who built this kit. It looks really nice. I also went and got another one of the Revell 29 Roadster kits because I'm still working on the one for old Tom, and I could probably have 10 or 15 of these and I'd never build them the same way at all. I also, you can't see it off the side, if anybody has watched Barbados Rex, he did a video on putting Zep absorbent in a mason jar and using it to dump your paint in. So today I went over and got me a bunch of mason jars, because you can't just buy one, you got to buy a whole set. I got like 12 of them now, and I got me a bag of Zep. And I also bought, when I went to Hobby Lobby, I went to my Hobby Town and I picked up a bunch of paint that's over there in a box for my 55 that I'm working on, my Williams that I'm working on, and for my snowspeeder that I'm working on. I'd also like to bring up, I picked up this, oh good, I've had this probably for 8 months or so. This is a spot sander. Mark Batson talked about this. He did a video on tools, and I bought this. I think I got it off of Amazon. And I tell you what, you want to remove ejection pin marks, this is the thing. Got like a little fiber tip that you can scroll. I don't know if you can see it. There's like a, whoops, that little white nub. That's some fibers that come out, and it does a bang up job. So thank you to Mark over at Hobby Dude 007. I think that's about all I got right now. Still plugging away on my 55. I'm having a blast with this for Joe and Tiffany's Glory Days of Drag Racing group build. It's been a lot of fun. I've got a lot of progress. Got a lot of stuff painted. I still have to finish painting part of the engine. Putting the chrome parts. I stripped all the chrome, and I figured the wheels are painted, and chassis painted, the engine's painted, most of the minor parts are painted. I'm still working on the body. I'll explain that. I'm going to do a video probably tomorrow about the my ideas and my plans, and like an update, general update on it. I've got some of the chrome parts. I stripped the chrome parts like the blower and stuff, and I repainted them. I stripped the front axle and stuff, and I repainted it. But excuse me, that'll be for tomorrow. I went yesterday. I had an interview with a temp agency, and I'm supposed to. I don't know when I'm going to start. They're doing a background check, and I'm going to be supposedly working maybe at a Williams Sonoma warehouse in Tracy. Fingers crossed. I have to go in on a Saturday for training. I don't know when yet. They haven't gotten back to me about it, but I've already got a money card for payment. And The hours I'll be working is 6 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon, Monday through Friday. So I'll have Saturdays off to go to model shows, Sundays off to go to my club meetings when I need to go, and to other things that I can go to on Sundays or Saturdays. I'll have weekends free. It'll be great. So that's good news. I'm just waiting to hear when I start. So Johnny's a happy boy. And I hope everybody has a great rest of the week. I will put a link. I don't say this usually, I forget to say this, but I will put a link for everybody that I've mentioned in the video. So you can go check out their channels. I'm sure most of you are. I've subscribed to everybody. But I hope you have a great weekend, rest of the week, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.